Welcome to another Ozar PHP tutorial. In a previous video, we'd walked through how to set up a virtual host for a CodeIgniter web app configuring the free version of MAMP. The same method would also apply to Laravel apps. If you missed that one, make sure to check it out. Today, we're tackling a common beginner issue. Why doesn't the PHP command work in the terminal after installing the free version of MAMP? If you've ever typed php-v or which PHP and got something like command not found, you're not alone. The problem is simple. Unlike in the case of the pro version of MAMP, your system doesn't know where MAMP's PHP binary is. But the good news is, well, the fix is just a few lines of configuration away. We'll start by locating the full path to MAMP's PHP binary. Usually it's under /applications/mamp/bin/php followed by the version number of PHP we're using. Like PHP 8.3.14/bin/php. Next, we'll add this path to our path environment variable in our .zshrc file, so it becomes globally available to the terminal. I'll first open it with nano from the command line. You can use vi or nano, whichever you're most comfortable with. Inside your .zshrc file, just add one of these lines. Export path equals in double quotes the path I just spoke of, then a colon, and then a $sign followed by path. In all uppercase, close double quotes. Then, save the file and run source_.zshrc, which is necessary for the definition we've just made to take effect. Otherwise, you'd need to restart your terminal. Now, if we run php-v again, voila, PHP is now recognized by your terminal. With this setup, we can now run CodeIgniter Spark commands, Laravel artisan commands, composer scripts, and anything else that needs PHP in the terminal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more PHP, Laravel, CodeIgniter, and macOS web development tips. You can also visit ozar.net for more tutorials and tools tailored for PHP developers on macOS. See you in the next one.